liver and eye jimmies. Slow through the muck with a clutch on a trident. Never give a fuck how far pie. You are dealing with a reborn icicle age poltergeist. Uhhh rock, sidewalk cypher stuck at the bus stop. Wookie foot must not sleep under the invaders. No batter, no trouble tables. Wired underagers, play box cutter, facelift, rock cutter, makeshift spirit. To y'all I'm just a funny moniker with a couple of fresh records and a banging hand style. I put the jookies on the guest list. Walk for that, metal train graph brainiac. Walk for them, not a limelight. More to blush a lizard crimson when the multi-million tin men talk traditional rituals out the hearts of starving shit. I bet they can see the city bleeding from the satellite. Formed by the corporate war drums recorded poorly. Dirty dub vamp, bruised by the hues of wicked palates. Chewed by the tooth of living maggots. Dino DNA and color straight, no chase. Mars attacks colorfulness. Rappers on motherships. Hazy days to stay purple. Sips with a Z bargain like crazy Eddie commercials. Network with a dirt devil. Bird train bumpers. High. The way your little parasol spins by. Suck my Neanderthal dick. Catapult spin. Moves in the screws and bolts. And all they heard's cruise, gulp and bulk and soak and bolt. Zap radium. Mayhem vibe. Suicidal eye full of plastic. Catapult jump, motherfuckers. No batteries. Catapult jump, motherfuckers. Okay, only came to fuck the name. Stuck to the train. That's a textbook page from my seat up in flame. Catapult jump, motherfuckers. Batteries. Catapult jump, motherfuckers. Curators cater to killers of innovators. I'm a stable batteries. No train bumpers like a headlock. Dead cop. Nurses a crowd to concrete visionary. Cave painters screaming loose in the cuffs. Cave paintings get the natural history feather duck. Pick a bus. Stemmelton stretch the DeLorean chrome. Sitting on 20s. Then I walk to the stove burning my laundry. Low pro. Fucked up jeans. Back at the party spitting cane meats. Flight to the Valkyries in a heartbeat. Saber-tooth catalog. City art. Liturgy. Rank the Rex in danger to click. Maximum efficiency. And isn't as dope. The line of blind winging pygars and had it while I planks into the matmos. Binder Bibles and a graphite prison violator with Joshua for the war gamer sis. Now the architects are rioting cause we built something different. I'm like, how the fuck short shot evolution, not my business. My elephant television was on. Grape soda, grape ape, great space coaster. D&D, G.I. Joe, Transformer, Herculoid, Thundercat, Voltron, Speed Racer, Space Ghoster. Just the flickering images with Carolyn fingertips, C4 to 4 chamber skips. Oh shit. They say his eyes were spiraling back when he hit the mat. Well, first word, oh it's like that. Started bending spoons and ripping arrows at a lady hawks with a C3P unit trying to interpret the baby talk. Train buffers, right turn with a Mr. Iceberg, fine. But you don't like our kind, do you? Junkyard dog, hot tin roofs, cradle kittens with them subpar flaws. Rapping is my radio, graffiti is my TV. B-boys keep them windmills breezy. Catapult jump, motherfucker.